What up? I'm using this free for profit little dark rod wave type beat come together by Voice Beats, and my song is called Comet Explosion. Oh,
Voice.
whoa. Staring at this comet, about to collide with this other comet. Every day we about to brace for the impact. Every day it's a distraction. Through it all, falling in the fray. Every day, lost in these days when I thought I could change, lost in the moments when I thought I had it all, lost in these days where I thought everything would stay the same. Every day, losing sight, losing time, 'cause we go big, go home, like that comet explosion. We lose sight, we lose sight, because it's so bright. Watch the fire burn in the sky. Watch that fireball in the sky. Every day, watching a fireball. Lost in the days when I thought I could change, lost in the moments where I thought it wouldn't work out, lost in the days when I thought I had it all. It was a comet explosion, it destroyed, it vanquished. Every day we were falling in the fray, breaking down what we gotta say through it all. Yeah, kick it every day, losing sight with our friends. Every day we did it big like this. Staring at that comet explosion. Every day I get lost in you. You're like the radiant star in the sky. You captivate my life. 'Cause every day I think about you. I'm out.